Hi viewers, today we're looking at the least function in MySQL. The least function basically pulls out the lowest value in a set of letters or set of numbers within MySQL Workbench. So we're going to start by typing in select and then control spacebar. Then we're going to page down to find least. Then I'm going to tab on that, and then within the brackets I'm going to enter values 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, and 1, and we're going to see whether MySQL can figure out if 1 is the least value or the smallest value. I'm going to click on run. As you can see underneath, the lowest value within the range of numbers I entered is 1. So I'm going to try the same thing again. I'm going to try it with letters. I'm going to try select, least again, tab, and now I'm going to enter letters, this time in brackets. And I'm going to run this and see if it pulls out A is the lowest value or the least highest value within the range. And that, as you can see, A is the lowest value pulled out from the range of letters within the least function. So that's it for the least function, showing you how to find the lowest value in a number, range of numbers, and the lowest value in the range of text.